Necklace that I made, I think like 2-3 years ago. Okay, oh my. Am I that tiny? Like what? We're off to the Cape for the week, which is, I think as you guys know by now, it's like where I recharge. I also just had a fight with my brother, so I'm super tense and like stress sweating. I'm probably like, yeah, stress sweater, so that's fun. Actually, you guys are so high. Yeah, that's better. How far am I from home? Also, it's Marathon Monday, so it's probably gonna be crazy, but I'm hoping since I'm leaving the city, it won't be as bad. I'm a very nervous driver because I was in a car accident 10 years ago, so. Right. Yes. The voice is so good. I will see you guys when I'm on the Cape. I'm regretting buying a colorful shirt now. Also, I couldn't find a bra this morning, so that's that. I got a bagel for when I arrive because it's almost 2 p.m. and I haven't had lunch. In case we need an intro, I am headed to the Cape. I have a massive stress sweat stain from fighting with my brother, and I'm regretting buying colors, but at the same time when I'm not sweating, like blue is very nice on me, so I'm trying something new. Also, I'm wearing my necklace that I made, I think like 2-3 years ago I made it, but it's finally spring, so I have it on.
Quite popular vote. The compact will only go into a police 270 votes. Support for the national.
I do love you, so you can tell her that. Oh, I think it's a good one. Maybe not. I don't know.
I don't think so.
I think I'll mix everything and then I'll add the salt.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait. Wait, no. They work yet. People are gonna be like, who is that? I'm really breaking out. I didn't realize it was that. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so bad. This is just me and my husband. I gotta make the tiramisu now. Okay? It breaks my heart whenever I put him down. I'm gonna be a terrible mom. That's not true. I take it back. He's so cute. Okay, tiramisu time. I have ladyfingers, mascarpone. I didn't have coffee because I don't drink coffee. My brother was out. So I went to Starbucks like a regular person.